Today we are going to review how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. The first thing we need to do is multiply the whole number by the denominator. Then the second step is to add that product to the numerator. So let's try it. Our first step was to multiply the whole number, which is 5, by the denominator 3. So we're going to put a little multiplication sign right there. Our second step said to add the product to the numerator. So we're going to put our plus sign up top, and we're going to draw an arrow around. We're going to call it a cartwheel, just to remind ourselves what order we should do this in. So when we multiply our denominator by our whole number, we should get 15, and then we add that product to our numerator. 15 plus 2 should give us 17, and our denominator stays the same. So our answer for this one should be 17/3. For the second problem, we should be multiplying our whole number 7 times our denominator 5, and then adding our numerator. Draw our cartwheel, and we should get 5 times 7 is 35, plus our numerator 2 is 37, and our denominator stays the same at 5. So our answer should be 37/5. Now when we convert from an improper fraction into a mixed number, we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So for converting an improper fraction into a mixed number, we divide the numerator by the denominator. So when we build our doghouse, we can picture this as doing a back bend. Our numerator goes inside our doghouse, and our denominator goes outside our doghouse. Now we can divide. We know 4 cannot go into 1, so we'll put our 0. And 4 times 4 gets us 16. And then we subtract, and we're left with 2. Our remainder becomes our new numerator. Our denominator stays the same, and our whole number is what we found when we divide it. Now 4 and 2/4 is not in simplest form, but we know that 2/4 in simplest form is just 1/2. So our answer should be 4 1/2. Okay, so for the second one, we need to do our back bend. 20 will go inside our doghouse because that's our numerator. And 5, our denominator, goes outside our doghouse. When we go to divide, 5 cannot go into 2, so we put our 0. And 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20, and I have a remainder of 0. So my answer should just be 4.